What's up guys, so today we are actually doing a video. It's a miracle. So basically we're doing a Black Ops 2 video. I was going to do a bot lobby video of us going into a bot lobby, but it turns out I've just been kicked from the bot lobby as soon as I was just about to load up the video and the setup and everything. So basically we're just going to try and go online and, you know, do some crap. The last Black Ops 2 video I done was very random. I don't know why I was doing that chopper corner thing. It was I hope you guys like that video. But yeah, so I just want to get straight into this Black Ops 2 video. So basically we're going to be playing team deathmatch and see who we get into. These are my classes so far. This is my new account. Don't play Detour. If you didn't know, this is my new account. Flux_caution. That's why I don't have the diamond stuff like I did last time. Stand off. Let's go. Whew, I'm all warmed up here. Okay, let's see how good we can do in standoff, eh? I'm probably gonna do. I think I could do alright. MSMC time. I've made my setup look a bit better by turning the camera sideways.
Got a bad guy.
The last time I'd done that, I had to delete the video because it the video was like sideways. So I don't know if this video is gonna be sideways or not. Sorry if it is, but all you need to do is just turn your phone or iPad around and click like the thingy. Like if you've got like an iPad or iPhone, flick the thingy so that you can doesn't turn around so you can see the video. But yes, I hope this is gonna be good. Alright,
I've got you.
I haven't got a kill yet. I've been too focused on talking.
I've got you.
God, am I lagging? I've got 3 bars. I haven't got very much good internet connection. If you guys want to add me on PlayStation, feel free. You saw my username at the start. Flux_caution. Oh wow, was that a hard scope? Oh wow. I'm gonna use the MSMC. I've only got 1 kill. Right, I'm too focused on talking right now. I should stop talking as much. Where is everyone? I can't find anyone. Ah! Jesus Christ! Who believes in me? Who believes I can get at least a hunter killer? By the way, I'm not like a pro at this game, so don't expect like how you see those people that play Black Ops 2 on YouTube, how they get like mercilesses and ruthlesses. I'm not like that. I'm not that good. I'm not that good that I would be able to do that like every match. I'm good enough to get like at least a care package though. I'm good enough to get at least like 1 merciless. Not every game though, but in like a day. Probably won't get one in this video, like, if I'm honest. I'm just trying to get the camera angle right. I hope the setup's okay for you guys. Cause I still don't have a capture card, and I'm trying to get one, but it seems to be a bit expensive.
Confirm.
So that's why I don't have one right now. Because it do seem to be pretty expensive, if I'm honest. I do say so myself. Oh, I've leveled up, get in there. I was in a bot lobby earlier, which is basically you do some sort of glitch. I might do a video on how to get into one and host one and whatever. You do some sort of glitch and then you can you level up in custom games by killing bots. And yeah, it's a really fun thing to do. I'm actually doing quite well now. I've kind of got my head into the game. I need to do good on YouTube. I don't want to look like a shithead on YouTube. So this. That's why I don't have very high score streaks, because I know myself I can't get like the really high ones. And I'm only like level 43. And when I do get to the prestige, I'm not going to prestige, I'm just going to stay at level 55 because this is my clan one. And I don't want to keep prestiging and losing all my guns, getting them back. It's a nightmare. Throw my care package down. Fuck, I shouldn't have done that because I think our teammates are spawning down there in a second. No.
Let's go.
You twat. What is it? What is it?
I've got you.
Oh, it's a lightning strike. See, that always happens to me. Throw down a care package, someone always steals it. It really just does piss me off. Oh, you did. I was the only one killed with my own score. I'm done. I am literally done. It's bullshit. My back's hurting by sitting like this. I might have to move a bit. Like that. Yeah, you twat, you stole my care package. You hear me? He was like, no. Oh, no. No. I was doing well. That's my emblem. No, I was doing so well. No. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's just bullshit right there. I still level up though, which is good. But this is migrating hosts. Okay, let's just back out. Let's go into another game. See how how much is the camera changing? See how we do in this game. I've got standoff again. Get in there. Standoff. This looks so weird on camera, doesn't it? So that is me there. Flux caution.
It's terrible now.
Yeah, so it's flux underscore
you move out into
caution.
four, then you're dead straight away.
So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna invite some people from recent players because it doesn't seem to be because it doesn't seem to be anyone joining.
Oh, Jay, you're back.
Some clan, that's such an old clan.
Yeah, I think mine is as well. I can't create a class.
Alright, so let's see what happens. Oh, fuck. What just who the hell is he? No, what's happening? These aren't even on my friends. No. I don't. No, you can get kicked. You can. No. You can fuck off. No, yeah, no, never mind. Right, what the hell? Jam Julie invites you to play Call back up. Okay then, I think this is the lobby I was just in.
Oh yeah, I'm joining them,
Oh my god.
I'm already with us. Nate, what do you want to do?
I'll just tell I'm doing the YouTube video.
Nate. Bruh. What do you want to do? You don't name everybody. Sam.
I'm doing YouTube vid.
Alright, you sent us a message. I'm trying to find his name.
I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm trying to get into a match. It'll have to be really quick because my videos can't go any longer than 15 minutes. Oh, what map is this? Oh, it's Turbo. I'm just going to play because who even gives a donkey's anus? I don't know who those guys were. They randomly just added me for some reason. Randomly just invited me, so I joined them, and then they were just like sitting around doing nothing really. That's him there, Jam Julie. Oh, he's a sniper. My hard scope a few times. From long distance, from a really long distance, I'll probably hard scope because it's hard to hit people with a quick scope when they're ages away. Even though I shouldn't really say that because I'm in a clan. Clan members aren't supposed to do that. Me and my friend Flux Shadow, I actually know him in real life, he's called Jason. Me and him are the leaders of the clan. Sorry Jamjole, I can't join you right now. Don't have a mic. It's broke. This is so easy for me right now. These guys are so easy. Oh fuck. 1 death, 6 kills. Hopefully this match is quick. How long's left? Oh god, there's a lot left. I should be able to get through. It should be okay. God, should I? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Watch me fail here again. Oh no, I've done it wrong again. I've done it again. Veto warship. Are you kidding? Nah. You are joking, man. I just got a veto warship and a care package on video as well. Yo, that is sick. That is so awesome. No, stop hitting me now. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Don't you be hitting me, man. Don't you be hitting me, man. I kill you. I kill you. Don't hit me. I kill you. No, don't hit me. I kill you. I kill you if you hit me. No, stop hitting me. I kill you. Is that it? Yes. That was fun. I only got like 3 or 4 kills off it though. Oh no, I didn't. I got way more than that. Well, my VO warship exploded. Bastards. I've got 15 kills. That's good. I'm actually doing well on video and I'm actually really happy with that. Because usually when I'm on video I just cock everything up. I think I'm doing well on video anyways. So yeah, I'm hitting all these quick scopes and stuff. Well, I think you guys kind of expect me to hit quick scopes if I'm doing YouTube on a video. Hunter killer drone. Oh god, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get through this, you know. I've only got 2 minutes left and I have to end the video. Oh no, I'm gonna have to wait like 1 minute. Like 40 seconds and I have to end the video. This is not fair. I don't want to. Oh, we need some kills right now because the game needs to end. Come on, the game needs to end. Please end. You sack of potatoes, just end. Why did I say you sack of potatoes? Come on, just kill them. 5 more kills and that's it. No, I think we can do this. We can do this, bro. Another care package. 40 seconds. 3 kills in 40 seconds. We can do this. Where the? Holy shit! Here it is. Here's the last kill. I missed. I haven't got much time. Just fucking kill someone, please. Yes. Right. Thank you guys so